Hi all, I'm your Komali ma'am. If you're a NEET 2021 aspirant and seriously preparing for your examination, this is like a small relaxation video. Just stop your preparation for 2 to 3 minutes and have a small relaxation. Around 6:42, I sent a small message to my students how their preparation is going on, and you'll be having an doubts, right? Tension about the exam, how is your preparation going on and how other students preparation are going on. Let me read one by one student message how they are preparing for their examination. And you can actually this is like an surprise video for all the crash course students. Let's start the session. No, let's start the messages. Let me read the messages. Around 6:42 today I sent a message. Let me show you the message. Hi all, how is your preparation going on? This is the message I sent around today 6:32. Sorry, 6:32. Now the time is 9:27. September 2nd. You have sharply 10 days for your examination. Bisam Vinaya, fine ma'am. Okay. Satya Ramya, good ma'am. Haritanush, I will surely get 650. Wow, good. Sheshadri, good ma'am. Sheba, well ma'am, how are you ma'am? I'm good Sheba. Sachidananda, fine ma'am. And what Vandana sent me, good ma'am. And Satish sent me, fine ma'am. Balamanikanta, good ma'am. Babu చదివింది భయంగా ఉంది మ్యామ్, మీ క్లాసెస్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేసా, మరలా నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్నే ఎగ్జామ్. జీవిత, గుడ్ మ్యామ్. అశ్విక శాలిని, వెరీ వెల్ మ్యామ్ విత్ యువర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్. Thamina, hi, I'm fine. How are you? Good ma'am. Supriya Priyadarshini, fine ma'am. Pranav, some better ma'am. Meenadarshini, going good only ma'am, revising running notes. And Yashwant, hi ma'am, how are you ma'am? Ma'am, my preparation are going really well. I'm getting around 500 to 550 in my mock test. Highest marking came 148. I'll surely improve my marks ma'am. I'm gaining confidence day by day, and the class notes which I took is really helpful to revise a chap quickly. Thanks a lot ma'am. Good Yashwant. Preetika, going ma'am. Mahalakshmi ma'am, another 100 years of life for you. I am learning from your videos again. Was watching just now. Your voice itself make me feel chemistry is easy. Thank you Mahalakshmi. Manisha said good ma'am. Okay. And Batamilan, good ma'am, happy to see your messages ma'am. Wow. Shruti, not really well ma'am, I was trying to focus on biology during these days, now getting tensed whether I remember physics chemistry. Ma'am, please conduct a small meeting before exam, it will be really helpful for us please ma'am. Shruti, I will try, sure, don't worry. If possible I'll put a meeting for you all. Gayatri, good ma'am, thank you ma'am. Wow, time is going on. Superb ma'am, but somewhere small fear is there, not about concepts or exam, but about a supervisor, because last year they gave me the question paper 1 hour late. Because of this, some fear is there. And Akshita, good ma'am, how are you ma'am? See how each student responded. Vigneshwar, good ma'am, getting good marks in mock tests. Good. Monica sent me, good ma'am, I'm revising our organic notes. How are you, ma'am? I'm good, Monica. Vishnu, it's going fine, ma'am, you told. Srinivas, good, ma'am. Joshri Smriti, superb, awesome, ma'am. Jai Tamil, yes, ma'am, going good. Okay. Rakshit, not good, ma'am. Rakshit, why? What happened? Rishikeshan, going nice, ma'am, good. Shambhavi, good only, not much good, but still going well. Ma'am, if you have any suggestions about revision or any suggestions about chemistry, please share, ma'am. It's my kindly request. Sure, I'll try to put a meeting for you all again. Niveda, going good, ma'am. I thought I can complete this video 3 minutes, but it's extending. Good, ma'am. Waiting to get highest score in chemistry. Yes, good. Tamil Mati, going well, ma'am. It's like going good, ma'am, with all your blessings, Sushmita. Harini Chandra Prabhakaran, thank you for your concern, ma'am. It's going well. That's great to hear from you, ma'am. My preparation is going good, ma'am. Hope you and your family are doing good. Thank you. Ma'am, fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How is your children? I'm missing you a lot, ma'am. Rethiga, thank you, Rethiga. Vasanta Priya, hi, ma'am. How you doing? Preparations are going good. Good, Vasanta Priya. Achana Anil Kumar, fine, ma'am. Kirtana, well, ma'am. Shiva Subramanian, yes, ma'am, nicely going. Good, ma'am. All good, going nice. Deepthi Shekhar, not good, ma'am. Why? What happened, Deepthi? Lingeshwaran, smoothly going, ma'am. Miss you so much. Thank you. Dvivedi told me fine. Aditya Sunil, hi ma'am, preparation is going well on my side. I left studying of physics and chemistry. My bio score got drastically down. I'm worried a lot. Heart is pumping yesterday only. I was thinking of your motivation during a class. Aditya Sunil, don't worry. Put your 100% attention. If possible, I'll take a class for you all. Vijay, going good, ma'am. And Janish, superb, ma'am. Your running notes are very helpful. Because of that, our last day's preparation gets boosted. Good, Janish. And Shankara Pandiyamma, not bad. Why? What happened? Fine, ma'am. Little more stress to complete syllabus. Akhila. Bredon. Good evening, madam. My plan for these last few days is going through all your notes one last time and fill all the gaps in my preparation. I'm doing tests every alternate 4 tests. Okay, so these are the messages. Let me show you fast of each student, because here we can see like this, very tensed, good. Because if it is too much time, it is you can't see that. And this is going well, going good, ma'am. My marks are improving day by day, and I'm confident that I can crack NEET this time with an excellent score. Good. And good, ma'am. Good, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good, ma'am. Going on well, but little bit frustrated revising entire syllabus and rectifying mistakes, ma'am. Going well, ma'am, but feeling tense suddenly while studying from past 1 week. Okay, yeah, fine, ma'am. With all your support and blessings, ma'am, what do you think? This year paper was easy or hard? Sindhu Shri, good, ma'am. Going well, good, ma'am. Please give one full test, ma'am. It was very useful for my preparation. Okay. I'm facing a little bit problem in chemical bonding. Simra Raji. Okay, good, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. My preparation is going good. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you. Afrin, going well, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. My preparation is going good, ma'am. Because of you, I'm scoring good marks in chemistry, but I'm forgetting some examples and properties of block elements. Thank you for your effort, ma'am. I need your blessings. Miss you a lot. So I'm not reading, just I'm going through. It's going fine because I will read all these messages again. Not bad, ma'am, but I'm feeling that I forgot everything. Ma'am, only 10 days left. I'm a little bit scared and depressed. I don't know I'll be able to clear it or not, but I'll try my best. Hi, ma'am. My prepare. You see, each student, they are feeling tensed. They are worrying. Few students are like, they're telling their preparation is fine. Hi, ma'am. Very seriously going, ma'am. Yeah, yes. Prepare well. You please don't demotivate yourself anytime, anytime. Yes, these last 10 days are most crucial. It's going on to be good, ma'am. I almost completed revising all portions from tomorrow. I am starting my preparations for final exam since there is only week left. I should really be thankful to you. Ma'am, I keep telling my mom every day that you are an angel. God has sent us to teach Kim. Literally, I can do almost 40 questions, leaving out only 4 to 5 questions in mock test and all. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Your notes are really helpful. Yes, it is classes. When you follow the classes and the notes, it's really helpful. Please go through it. Start revising thoroughly and start solving previous year questions. You can see a lots of difference and lots of difference. Be confident enough to write neat. I want to read you all the messages here, but due to the time being, I am not able to read it. Again, I will read these messages you sent to me. See, it's student, tension about the exam. Ma'am, it's becoming difficult to revise such a vast syllabus. Every time it feels something is missing. Almost my mock test score is not increasing above 400 to 500. I face problem in physical chem. Normally, I can solve physical chemistry, but during mock test, I just cannot. Also, I keep delaying the mock test to next day, thinking that my syllabus is not properly. No. Initially, I was not able to, regretting as I have no time to make and revising whole physical chemistry takes so much of time. Don't worry, go through running notes and first complete the previous year physical chemistry questions, then you will get somewhat an idea. Prem Kumar, good ma'am. Lokesh, Pujita, good evening ma'am. Preparation is going good. Will meet you with our flying colors. Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. It's well, ma'am. I was wasting time in overthinking, ma'am. Now I was very strong, ma'am. Thank you. I'm almost going to complete, but I forgot easily. Please suggest how to revise during last 7 days. See how many messages, and it's a really great feeling to read each student message and but these are last 10 days. These 10 days are very very important. Go through the running notes of your teacher, what your teachers taught you. Don't learn any new topics now. Focus on the topics which you have already grip over that and give equal priorities, and which topics you know better, have a glance first and complete that, and take a previous year all the question papers and just go through those questions. I'm happy that I joined your crash course. It is very helpful. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Happy to see your message. Chemistry Verithanam preparation. I joined, ma'am. You told me last month I'll speak to you. Still, you didn't speak, ma'am. I asked you mole concept formulas. I don't know anything in physical except thermo, ma'am. Please help me. I don't know how to read physical. Being in your class, I was more confident. Now I'm fearing more, ma'am. Ma'am, please help me. Physical, tell me something. I joined when you started thermodynamics only. Hi, Vinita. I'm really sorry for not calling you. When you are there in a class, I can give the assurance. But when you miss the class, when you not attended the sessions, I can't explain you the concepts over the phone, and that's why it happened. uh, I will try to call you. Joshna, good ma'am. Okay. Sneha, fine ma'am. How are you, ma'am? I'm very thankful to you for taking care of us. We never forget you, your classes. We will meet you before joining college or getting blessings from you, ma'am. Good. Thank you. Ma'am, can you please give us some tips and tricks and please give an idea for how to study physical chemistry? Next message, Deepika, good ma'am. Good ma'am, but feeling worried about inorganic chemistry. Ma'am, preparation is going well. I'm scoring 140 and 150s in my mock test. It's all because of you, ma'am. Love you, ma'am. Thank you. And good, ma'am, revising your running notes. Okay. Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing good, but little nervous, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Preparation, wow, 16 minutes. I'm really sorry I'm taking your so much of time, but because lots of anxiety and tension, ma'am. Good, Vikisha. Good, Kavyashri. Good, ma'am. How are you? Yeah, Kavya, I am good. Subhasha. Good, ma'am. Suvati, good ma'am, for organic chemistry. Revising your running notes is enough. No, ma'am. Divya Priya, good ma'am, and thanks for your concern. And still, last 45 messages. Nice, ma'am. Lemia, hi, ma'am. How are you? It's been so long. I have been missing your early morning classes and laughter so much. Preparations are going on, ma'am, but there has been a lot of ups and downs. Revision is also going on side by side, but I feel so much more confident this time thanks to the endless support from you and your family. Thank you, Lemia. Duveri Deepika, hello, ma'am. How are you? It's going on well, except that I'm getting panic attack at night times due to thinking about physics, ma'am. And sometimes I have this feeling like, what if I forget everything? Apart from this, everything is fine, ma'am. Yeah, that tension you'll be having. I really hope this time I'll get maximum marks according to my preparation and hard work, ma'am. Yes, Deepika, definitely. Archana, good ma'am. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Going well, ma'am. But as a fresher, I'm having a lot of fear. Kavyatri, fear. No. Shiny, good ma'am. Abhinandana, good ma'am. Raksha, going good, ma'am. Waiting for our interactive session. Sure, I'll try. Definitely, I try to keep an interaction session. Chandana, going on well. Umashri, going good. You all don't know that. Even I did not expect that I read your names. I'm going to post all these messages in a YouTube. Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Preparation is going so well, ma'am. Good. Harini, not bad, ma'am. Can you please say like to plan, how plan and study this 8 days, please, ma'am? I will try to put an interaction session, but you prioritize your day. If I say now the time will extend, I'll try to, if possible, I'll make a video. Yuvashri, good ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Preparation is going good. Revising notes and rectifying the mistakes, trying to reduce negatives, ma'am. I'll do my best. Good, Srinidhi. Fine, ma'am. Sharmila, Radha, good, ma'am, but feeling tension, nervous, ma'am. Yeah, no, don't feel nerves and tension. Good, ma'am. Your notes is helping us, ma'am, and your tricks. Thank you, Nandini. And Jagadishwaran, ma'am, it's going very well. Thank you for your guidance. Okay, Jagadishwaran, good. Srinidhi, good, ma'am. Still 25 more messages. Good ma'am, how are you? Priyadarshini, good ma'am. Prachimishra, good ma'am. Sohini, fine ma'am. Well, ma'am, if possible, can you please send PDF all notes one side, ma'am? No, I dictated the entire notes during a class itself. Okay, nice, ma'am. Tomorrow my AP MSET exam, ma'am. Need your blessing. Sure, Sampath. Write your exam well. Wish you all the best. Shanmuga Priya, good ma'am. Will rock chemistry this NEET 2021. And ma'am, how are you? How is Vikshit and Vanisha? Wow, thank you, Priya. Manikandan, good ma'am, but not as much as good without your motivation speech, ma'am. Manikandan, prepare well, prepare well. This is the last minutes. If possible, I'll take a class. Well, ma'am, Nikita, Guna Nikita. Radha Krishnan, preparation is going good, ma'am. Please pray for us all. Will you take any session before NEET exam? It will be very good. Definitely, I'll take it, yeah. Many are asking, na? I will try. Noor Nisha, good, ma'am. Varun Vasan, it's going good, ma'am. Good. It's okay, madam. Why? It's okay, not good. Kishantini, good ma'am. You do well, prepare well. Nice, ma'am. And well, ma'am, revising your notes daily. Yes, ma'am, it's going well. These are the messages I got during this time. Like how other students are working out for their examination. Almost 99% people are seriously preparing for their examination. They are really doing good, and more competition will be there this year. And put your maximum of effort this last almost 9 days. Prioritize your things, plan your day properly, and don't avoid food, don't avoid proper sleep nicely, eat nicely, and categorize your day. And if possible, do 10 to 15 minutes of any skipping or any exercise, so that entire day you can be very active. Otherwise, if you sit continuously at that place and if you try to read, maybe you can't do your best. Just 10 to 15 minutes or at least 5 minutes, do a small skipping or a walk, and then you do your you plan your day, like 3 to 4 hours chemistry, 3 to 4 hours physics, or bio 4 hours, or depending upon your coaching. Give all your exams, write exams, or your self preparation means do a self preparation thorough with all your running notes as materials. Wish you all the best, all of you. Do well in your examination. You all have bright future. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor.